Hey guys, welcome back to OwenTravels channel. Today let's fly to New York via Newark, New Jersey. This is a connecting flight from Sacramento. Our flight to Newark, New York departs 3:10 p.m. at gate F1. Let's enjoy the airport terminal here at Minneapolis. Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport is a hub of Delta Airlines connecting various parts of the United States. It also serves some international flights such as to Amsterdam, London, Incheon, and Tokyo Haneda. On most gates and restaurants, it is equipped with tablets where you can play, watch news, or even order food. I like this kind of modern and cool concept as it keeps passengers entertained while waiting for their flight. Let's enjoy plane spotting at Minneapolis. You can see various aircraft of Delta such as the Boeing 737s, Airbus 320 family, Boeing 717, 757, Boeing 767, and Airbus A330. International flights depart and arrive from the G concourse, while most Delta regional flights departs from concourse A to C. As I have ample time here at MSP, I went for a lunch. Good thing I saw Panda Express as I'm craving for Asian food with rice. There are also other food chains in the terminal, but I prefer to go Asian food this time. Now we're at gate F1. Here's our Boeing 717-200 aircraft. Registration is N965AT. This type of aircraft is still being used by Delta on domestic flights. The Boeing 717 is rebranded aircraft of MD-95 after Boeing acquired McDonnell Douglas. Boarding for Flight 355 started at 2:30 p.m. and again done by zone number. For this route, it will take us roughly 2 hours and 17 minutes to reach Newark Liberty Airport in New Jersey. The Boeing 717 seats 110 passengers and is primarily used on domestic routes. The next generation aircraft features 12 first-class recliner seats, 20 Delta Comfort Plus seats, and 75 economy seats. In economy, it is configured as 2-3 with 31 inches of pitch and 18.1 inches of width. It does not have a personal IFE as it's primarily used for domestic routes. However, Wi-Fi access and universal power outlet below the seat is available on this aircraft.
If you do not feel comfortable with these responsibilities, please notify attendant now. This is one that happened just this year. Thank you and welcome aboard.
The tray table is not foldable. I find the legroom on this aircraft a little bit tight though. On the seat pocket, you can find the Delta's in-flight magazine, safety cards, in-flight menu, as well as the Wi-Fi instruction card. Wi-Fi is available once you reach 10,000 feet above sea level.
We're expecting to depart from the gate here on time in about 10 minutes. Once we're airborne today, the flight time will be 2 hours to Newark. Our scheduled arrival time at the gate is for 6:40 p.m. Eastern Time. 6:40 p.m. scheduled at the gate in Newark. We'll have a couple updates for you as we move along here today. Thank you very much for joining.
Boarding has been completed at 3 in the afternoon, and in a few minutes we pushed back and headed to the assigned runway. By the way, it's easy to book award tickets online from the Delta's website. I was able to use about 15,000 Skymiles plus tax. Also, seat assignment was complimentary during the booking process. started, we turned left to the east to make it our way to our destination. By the way, there are three main airports serving New York City: Newark in New Jersey, LaGuardia that serves domestic, located in the Bronx, and JFK which serves both domestic and international flights of Delta. JFK is also a hub of Delta Airlines with many flights serving European and Latin American destinations.
Unexpected route there. Take caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during takeoff. And approved electronic devices can be found in the Sky magazine. Wi-Fi is available on today's flight. Use your own device to connect by looking at the customer experience card located in the seat back pocket.
Seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now let's try to access the Delta Wi-Fi. Basic instant messaging such as iMessage, WhatsApp, and Messenger is free of charge. You can have the full access for a fee ranging from $5 to $23. Using the Delta Studio, you can also watch free movies and TV series from your mobile devices. All you need is to connect to the Wi-Fi without paying for the full internet access. The cabin crew began offering snacks and drinks. I asked for a Biscoff cookie and Diet Coke. The set of cabin crew on this flight are very engaging to passengers, and they always carry a warm smile.
Thanks so much for flying with us this evening on Delta Airlines, and right now I'd like to ask for flight attendant. Please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we begin our initial ascent into the Newark area. We ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
As we are about to land in Newark, the seatbelt sign has been switched on. The cabin crew has done the security check prior to landing. Wi-Fi has been disabled as well once we are below 10,000 feet. Despite that it's only a short flight, the cabin crew was able to provide great service to passengers. They're very approachable as well. Also, aside from the snacks, they offered coffee or water in the middle of the flight. I also like the Wi-Fi service provided by Delta as it's fast and reliable. What I like about the free instant messaging is that I can easily get in touch with the person who will pick me up at the airport, which I can give a real-time status of my flight. I find the seat a little bit tight though, with a limited recline. The flight is on time and uneventful. Also, using the Delta app, Delta offers real-time status of your bags, from check-in to loading your bags up to the arrival process.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to North New Jersey with a local time at 6:23 p.m. We have experienced a 1-hour time change. We ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your items properly stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. That's your one and only.
Welcome to Newark Liberty International Airport. We arrived 6:23 p.m. with a total of 2 hours flight duration. Good job, Delta. By the way, there is a 1-hour time difference between Minneapolis and Newark, with Newark being 1 hour ahead of time. I do hope that you enjoyed this short flight from Minneapolis to Newark. Do not forget to like this video. Also, if you haven't, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I have more flight reviews lined up, so stay tuned. So finally, I arrived here at Newark Liberty International Airport. I really had a great flight with Delta Airlines. They're very informative, especially using their Delta app, where they would be able to give you proper information about your luggage if it has arrived on the belt. Also, the cabin crew, they're very great. They offered complimentary drinks and snacks. So, very satisfied with Delta Airlines. I think they're one of the best here in North America. Thank you for watching and hope you would subscribe to my channel, OwenTravels. Bye.
How you doing today? You good? Taking pictures?